All right, everybody. Hello, welcome. Totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in Punta Arenas province. I'll let this truck go by. Big truck. Just outside of Dominical, guys. We're going to be going to a really nice beach that I've been to once before down this road. If this is your first time joining, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment as always. And stay tuned for this. So in this video, guys, we're going to go to this beach right down here. Then we're going to go up to Poza Azul, which is a really cool little swimming hole right up the road. But before we begin, let's talk about how to get here.
So the nearest international airport to Dominical is in San Jose, where you'll land, get your rental car, airport transfer, or of course your neon yellow Kia Bongo, drive out to the west coast, past Jaco, past Capos, finally to Dominical. This will take you about 3 hours.
And that will bring you right to this intersection right here. So Dominical is just a couple minutes drive up the road here. And you can see here, in order to get to this location, there's a place here called Ayacucho. It says condominiums right there. So you're going to look for that. And then this is where I often park to get to this beach. Now, it should be said, if you go a little bit further up the road, there's going to be signs for Dominical. So this beach, or Dominicalito rather, up there. This beach is between Dominical and Dominicalito. I didn't see an actual proper name on the map for it, like describing this one. You'll see when we get up there, it's kind of got rocks on either side. I think it's part of Dominicalito, but I'm not 100%. Look at the coconuts up there. Look at the coconut, the big coconuts just ready to drop on somebody's head. Hopefully not mine. Now, this is a hotel here that I believe is operational. And because I don't have reception where I'm standing, I don't know the name of it. I don't know the name of this hotel. Now, I've been told that it's okay. They're cool with parking here, and you can access the beach here. But obviously, that's like a private situation. It's actually pretty cool. Like, what's going on in there? I can't remember the last time I came through here, guys. Was a couple years ago. That's nice. This is apparently a hotel, though. I like it. Now, to get to the beach, I think it's this way. Just kind of going off my mind's eye. Look at the bamboo here. Yeah, I think, is it this way? And then there's a bridge over here. Guys, we're doing this live. Yeah, there's the bridge. We're doing this together here. Just explore with me in Costa Rica. So I presume that these rocks mean like, don't go there. That's where, oh, yoga and massage. I mean, I like massage. Depends what kind. I'm not a big yoga guy. Like, I'm pretty inflexible in many ways, physically and others. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go out here. So you can see it's a little rustic. The old path going down here. A little muddy, in a way of saying it. Cool. Okay, so tide is looking kind of low-ish. Let's get it. Let's take it all in here. Let's take it in. So Dominicalito is over that way. So we're looking south there. I can see kids like boogie boarding. Dominical is that way. And this is why I kind of don't know if this is a separate beach or not, if it's just part of Dominical, because there's like rocks right here. And then there's rocks right over there. It's really rocky. So this is kind of like a separate beach area. There's a little estuary there. If you're adventurous, you can check that out. I like it. And the cool thing, guys, is when tide comes up. Last time I was here, tide was a lot higher, and this rock was actually breaking a lot of the waves. So a lot of these rocks are like breaking the waves. So we're going to do a live water test. We're going to go walk down. But guys, I got to say, I always say, these water shoes are just the best. They have holes on the bottom. They have holes on the bottom so the water goes right out, and the top is like mesh, and it's got this little thing. I'm going to put a link right on the screen beside here. You can scan with your photo application on your camera, and there will be a link in the description below for these water shoes. Highly recommended for traveling in Costa Rica. So how many people are out on the beach today? I see a handful of people over there. There's some people sunbathing. That's what I should perhaps be doing. We'll do the live water test first. Let's check it out. It's coming towards me now. This is a cool spot. I like it. Let's see. Just hit it. Oh man, it's actually warm. Wow. Warm right there. That was a good blast of warm water, I would say. It's cooling off actually over here a little bit. Interesting. So let's take it in. How's the water look? Looking like here, it looks pretty clear out there actually. I can see the waves breaking. It looks pretty clear. It's not so bad. Let's look in. Let's look down here and see some people enjoying, you know, the weather and stuff like that. There's like a teepee over there or something. I don't know what that is. There's the mountains up around the hills. So the main highway, of course, where we just came from is right there. And that's kind of consistent with Punta Arenas. The main highway runs kind of close to the coast. Huh. Yeah, the water's not like cold. I wouldn't say it's cold water right now. I don't even know if I should walk in there. I'm not going to walk in there because I feel like I'll get pulverized. I'll lose my camera. Let's just climb up here. So guys, actually, I'll keep talking about these water shoes, right? This is what's so great about these water shoes. You can go right from the water and step in literally, I don't know what that is. I think they're like barnacles or like crab eggs or something. I don't have crabs though, so I don't know anything about that. I don't have crab pets. I don't have pets as crabs. Here's Dominical. Here's Dominical. Oh, look at this. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. I want to go over there. I want to go over there, Mom. Look at this. I'm defying death to get these videos in. Wow, cool. All right, that's excellent. I haven't been here before on this rock. So that's Dominical we're looking at down there. And I actually got a comment. I'll put it on screen right now. Somebody said, oh, you didn't explore Dominical. Guys, these videos, I mean, I'm trying to keep them, you know, fairly concise and short. So I'm not going over everywhere. We've got a lot of videos in Dominical before. I'll put a couple in the description. And if you want any specific ones, leave me a comment and I can link them up. So I haven't actually been down to this end of Dominical. This is my first time. You can see cars there, though. It looks like people are parked up and having a cookout, something similar. And then there's Dominicalito down that way. And that's the way we're going to be going, down that way to get to the Poza Azul. Let's actually get right up on this rock. Wow, wow, wee, wow, wow. Okay. I feel like I'm king of the world, king of the world here. This is excellent. Very nice, very nice. Oh, those kids are like bodyboarding. So this evidently is a good beach to do some bodyboarding if you're into that kind of stuff. That would be more my jam because I can't surf. I can't surf at all. This is a really interesting, I don't know, crack of rocks. I don't know how to describe that, guys. I'm not a geologist. Somebody commented, like, you say I don't know too much, and that's genuinely just because I don't know. But I'm just kind of describing what I see. So yes, I apologize for not knowing what this crevasse, maybe that's what I should call it, a crevasse. Look at that. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now is go back up to the parking lot and start driving south. And then we'll get to Poza Azul, which is really close to here. It's a very awesome place.
All right, so we leave the beach and start heading south on Highway 34 here. You can see it's really well paved. Along the way, you'll get some nice views of the ocean off to the right. And there's more entrances as well to Dominicalito. Now, as you start getting into this straight stretch, you'll look for this sign that says Puerto Nuevo, 6 kilometers. This is very important because if you go past this straight stretch, you're going to miss the turn into the little town of Dominicalito. You'll cross this bridge, and this is where you'll start slowing down and looking for the exit off to the left. Start seeing some signs and look for this bus station off to the left side, the little bus stop. That's where you'll turn right in there. Now, this whole trip only takes about 5 minutes from the beach to the Poza. You'll head into town here. This is Dominicalito. There's a couple accommodations options, little hotels and stuff like that. And this road continues much further up on to the mountains as well. Now, there's this little bridge to cross here, and you'll see a cool statue off on the right side. Now, this is an important juncture as well, guys. It's important here to turn right. You're going to stay right onto the dirt road. See where those two kids are walking from? They were up at the river. And this is the only part where the road becomes gravel. Most of the time I drive up this, it's pretty well packed. It's not too chonked. So you can do it with any car. And it's only a couple hundred meters of gravel road.
All right, and here is the parking area. So that's where you'll park up. And occasionally there's a watchy man over there from town, I think. So you can give him like a meal. That's where I just came from there. The little town there, Dominicalito. And this is what you're looking for, just this gap in the trees. And I want to show you guys the pathway going down because it is it's a little conked. That's how I would say it. So you can see it's pretty steep, right? You can start seeing the river over there. And there are definitely some steps missing. So use caution when you come down here. And I'll show you what it looks like from the other end right here. So that's why you're walking down. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Most people could do it. I mean, grab a stick or something if you got mobility issues. But if you have mobility impairments, it might not be for you to come to this Poza. Just making big steps here. Still got the water shoes on. It's good for stuff like this, right? So this short distance and it's been like walked on well. I'm going somewhere with water. I'll still use these water shoes. If this was much longer, I'd probably put the trail runners on and use that. So here it is, guys. Here's Poza Azul. There's the stream that's going down. And I've heard from some people that there were some monkeys seen down there in the trees. So you could possibly see monkeys down here. Maybe possibly even sloths. Maybe possibly sloths. Oh, and there's a kid climbing up here. This is pretty cool. This is dope. One of these kids just did a huge rope swing. He's up there right now. In the tree, you can see him there, I hope. Yep. I don't know what he's going to do. Is he going to do a big jump? I probably wouldn't be inclined to climb down. I definitely want to, if he jumps, I definitely want to film it. So let's get down there. Let's do a live water test too. Here at Poza Azul, near Dominical. One of my favorite spots to come and swim. Have a swam. Oh my God, what is he doing? He's a mad lad. He's a mad lad. Bro, that's crazy. That's huge. Let's see it. Oh my God. Oh, there's the waterfall too. I'm more interested. I'm like locked in on this guy now. He's focused. Let's see. Let's see. Oh man, come on. The camera's on now. The camera's on now. This is the spotter. This guy's spotting for him. Let's see it. Oh, here we go. Oh. Wow. That was cool. That was cool. I'm glad they're doing it because I wouldn't be. I wouldn't be doing it. So live water test, guys. Live water test. Water's pretty clear. Water's pretty clear here. It's not flowing as much as sometimes it does, but you can see there's like spots to jump. And where that guy just jumped from, there's a rope right there too that you can do the rope swing. Awesome place to post up and check out for the day. So once again, guys, there's Poza Azul and a little beach near Dominical that we checked out. Hope you enjoyed this walking tour here. Traveling Costa Rica. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Let me know where you're watching from. Just leave a comment in general. Say hello. I'm gonna fix myself here. These kids, they're gonna jump again. They're gonna jump again. We're doing this live, guys. This is how we roll on this channel. This is how we roll. We're just getting it in. So let's see. Let's see how this goes. Are they gonna do a double? Are they gonna do a double? That's wild. Oh wow. Oh no. Okay, literally Batman level moves here. Literally the Dark Knight of Poza Azul. We have, oh my God, he just wanted to go bigger. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Wow, dude. Okay, cool, man. That was awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.